So, dear Dhamma friends, say sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. And there are a lot of people ask me, and they go through hard time and how to handle themselves. And sometimes in day-to-day life, there are some people cannot sleep well and they're thinking and they don't know what to do. They don't know what's going to happen. So like that. And so whenever you have time, try to do this breathing technique because practicing meditation work when you know the method. But there are some people, even your loved ones, your family members, your friends, if you know anyone, you have to help at this time and protect them. So there are a lot of people don't know what to do. And so this breathing technique is important for you to keep your body healthy. And as you know, there are two nerve systems, sympathetic nerve system, parasympathetic nerve system. They both work following the inhalation, exhalation. It works naturally, automatically. So this will balance you. So how you can do it quickly? So you keep relax your body and then deeply breathing through your nose. Slowly, remember, slowly, gently, deeply. Okay, that is the rule you have to follow. Slowly, gently, deeply to maximum. Okay, okay, deeply breathing through your nose. And then take as much as the breath you can and hold it. It's like you putting air to a balloon and hold your head to toes. Visualize yourself. Think head to toes, your whole body filled with air, and hold it. And then slowly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then deeply and gently, slowly breathe out through your mouth. You have to take all the breath out and empty your body and pause. And don't breathing and hold and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then deeply, gently, slowly breathing, 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 and pause. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time you go to 7 and slowly breathe out. Take all the breath out and pause and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then breathing through nose. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe out through mouth. And pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that, you can go till 12, or you little by little, what is happening, your lung capacity going to become more higher, and your lungs become little by little stronger, and your entire body, your lactic acid start to move away. You feel more relaxed and comfortable, and it helps for your mind also deeply. And little by little you can develop it, and they slowly, deeply, gently to the highest, to maximum level you breathing. So try it. It will help in day-to-day life to come out of whatever the difficult situation. So there was a man, and it was a dark night, and in front of his house there was a street light. This man came out and start to look something around this light. And so the people, whoever walk and start to ask, what you looking? And then he told, I dropped my key, that's why I'm looking. And then everyone help, whoever passing by that place, and start to help him and start to search. Now in that whatever the area that they can see in this dark, they start to recognize in that area they couldn't find this key. And then again one person asked, we all now keep looking, we all are trying to help you, but we can see in this area we cannot see that key. So can you tell us exactly where you dropped that key? Then that person told, I drop it inside my house. So then why you looking here? Because inside my house it's dark, and here I there is a light. That's why I see this. That's why I'm trying to look. So dear friends, sometimes in life we the same. We drop our freedom somewhere inside our own life, and but we keep it looking this outside world. And we used to go for vacations, we go here and there and climbing mountains and go to ocean and go to different places and go hike. And now you understand. So you used to go there and look for freedom, but now look, you are at home yourself. And sometimes now you are become more happy with your friends and family members, and maybe you are more enjoying internet or your cell phone, your computer, your movie, your cable channels. And now you think, oh, this is good, this is my life. But at the same time you have to remember that also can lose. But still remember, the freedom or the happiness, the key is inside you. You drop it inside you. Don't look outside. You will never find it. Maybe there is a light outside, but even in the moment you see it is dark inside you, you don't want to look. Don't afraid for that. Start to look yourself. And when you start to look, even whatever the deep, the darkness, if you start to search, if start to look, you start to see something little by little, little by little, little by little. But you know what happening to us? We are so addicted to this light, and especially the light coming from outside. So this light, when this light become too much, you know what is happening? If you start to look the sun directly, your eyes going to become blind for a moment. You're not going to see anything. The same like, this outside comfort, this outside situations, even for other people or the things, sometimes we think it as a like, and when we start to look for that, we get blind and we ourselves lose. So then start to look yourself. This everything is a part of life, but this is not the life. The real life inside you, that is what you have to understand. The real happiness, the real freedom, the real joy inside you. Start to look for that and be resonate with it. Learn to say, be settled down with it. Don't try to depend or don't try to look something from outside. Don't wait till something comes from outside and try to give you the satisfaction. If you start to become like that, you start to become kind of like a beggar. So you develop the beggary day by day, day by day, day by day. The beggary becomes stronger. The ability to depend from something becomes stronger. That is what itself called samsara. We always with our eye, ear, nose, tongue, body and mind, we always depending from these perceptions. And we always depending from sensations. We always depending from desires. That itself make us burning inside. So then how you can come out of it? Learn to be settled down. Where? Inside you. It is an art. That's why you have to practice it. It itself not going to come. Why itself not going to come it? Because we have a samsaric journey, we have a habitual pattern so far in this life. We develop a method to depend. So suddenly when you close your eyes, it's not going to happen. But little by little, step by step, if you start to practice, then you will see slowly you're going to be calm, relaxed, and happy inside you. That calmness is not becoming self-centered person. That calmness is not a egocentric idea. That calmness is itself, you start to get connected to the real nature of life. So if you start to look, what is the meaning of living? Just think for a moment. Doing a job or going here and there, doing enjoying something. So look yourself, what is the meaning of living? We miss this point and we start to look it here and there, going here and there. That's why there are a lot of people, and they now becoming, you know, kind of like depressed. They are inside the house. See that they come, you know, they protest. Oh, we want to go out, we want to go out, we want to go to beach, we want to go to club, we want to go to dance, like that. They're protesting everywhere. How it possible? Because they start to look for the life outside and wherever they see the light. But whoever go anywhere, not going to find it. But if you are able to start to recognize your life itself in this very moment, it is happening. Just be with it. Just let it settle down itself. And that is where, in that very moment, if you are able to do it for 100%, if you can settle down for the moment, in that very moment, you will see your liberation going to happen, your enlightenment going to happen, your transformation going to happen. So look for that. So with that, I'm going to end today this our session. By the power of this good Patrick, may all of you be well, happy and peaceful. Everyone stay healthy and everyone stay safe. Sabbityo vajjantu sabbarogo vinasatu mate bhavattantarayo sukhi dīgāyuko bhava. Ettavata ca ammihi sampadam punya sampadam sabbe deva sabbe bhuta sabbe satta numodantu. Sabba sampatti siddhya idamme punya kammang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Sabba dukkha pamunchatu. So bless you.
Thank you, Bhante.